Hi! Today we are finding your secret strength, the I Can power. Are you ready to fuel up? The I Can power is knowing that even if something is hard, you can figure it out. It is like having a battery in your heart that says, I have got this. Sometimes our battery feels low. Shine wanted to draw a forest, but she thought, I am not an artist. I cannot do this. Her I Can power was at 0. To charge her battery, Shine used baby steps. She did not try to draw the whole forest. She just drew one tiny leaf. Her battery started to charge. Next, she asked for a power boost. She showed her leaf to Ping. Getting help made her battery grow even more. By doing a little bit every day, Shine's I Can power became a superpower. She finished her drawing and felt so proud because she did not give up. If you make a mistake, do not worry. Mistakes are just fuel for your battery. They help you learn how to do it better next time. What is one thing you want to get better at? What is the first baby step you can take today? Tell us in the comments. Thanks for watching. Keep your I Can power strong. Goodbye.